I'll start by making the filling. Just put 2 sausages of Calabrese in the food processor, half an onion, 1 seedless tomato, and 2 tablespoons of parsley and green onion. And now just process it and it's ready. The dough for this bread is the homemade bread recipe I've already taught here. There's a card showing up and it's also in the video description. I've already made my dough. It's risen nicely and now I'm going to continue. Just take a small piece of dough and roll it out into an oval shape. Spread a little bit of the filling and roll it up like a Swiss roll. The size of the rolls is up to you. You can make them small, a little bigger, or even large rolls, however you like. Now I'm going to let them rise a little more and then just put them in the oven at 180 degrees. Every oven is different, so it really depends on the oven you have and how long it will take to be ready. In mine, it took about 50 minutes. Look how wonderful it is. So, if you like this video, you know what to do, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed and you're watching this video, you're wasting time. Not subscribing is a waste, because if you subscribe, you get everything we post first, and it really helps us out. So, see you in the next video.